फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल टॉप एजुकेशन कॉर्नर। मैं आपसे पहले एक बात कहना चाहूँगी, अगर आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए एंड साइड में एक बेल आइकन है, उसको प्रेस कर लीजिए ताकि हमारे चैनल की जो भी आने वाली वीडियो होंगी उसका सबसे पहला नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिले। स्टार्टिंग विद द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द हैवीएस्ट मेटल? मीन्स बिलो फॉलोइंग में से कौन सा हैवीएस्ट मेटल? लेट्स सी द ऑप्शंस। ऑप्शन ए सिल्वर, ऑप्शन बी गोल्ड, option C copper, option D mercury. Let's say which option is the correct option. Option D, that is mercury is the heaviest metal. Moving to the further question, who is known as the father of modern chemistry? Let's see the options. Option A Lavoisier, option B Rutherford, option C Albert Einstein, option D Galileo. Let's see which option is the correct option. Option A, that is Lavoisier is known as the father of the modern chemistry. Moving to the further question, penicillin is an antibiotic which is formed by dash. Now first of all, penicillin means it is an antibiotic and which is prepared synthetically nowadays. Let's see the options. Option A bacteria. Bacteria means it is a microscopic living organism and it is very dangerous for us. Option B algae. Algae means usually small plants जो वाटर के अंदर ग्रो होते हैं या फिर वाटर के बाजू में ग्रो होते हैं एंड दे डू हैव ऑर्डिनरी लीव्स. ऑप्शन सी फंगाई. फंगाई मीन्स ये एक वेट पाउडर होता है जो ओल्ड वुड या फिर वॉल्स या एक्सेट्रा थिंग्स पे ग्रो होता है. ऑप्शन डी लिचेंस. लिचेंस मीन्स ये ग्रोइंग प्लांट है जो लो क्रस्टी लीफ लाइक और ब्रांचिंग ग्रोथ फॉर्म करता है. लेट्स सी विच ऑप्शन इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. ऑप्शन सी, that is penicillin is an antibiotic which is formed by fungi. Moving to the further question, which of the following is biodegradable? Biodegradable means जो waste जल्दी से decompose हो जाता है. Let's see the options. Option A plastic, option B paper, option C aluminium, option D silver. Let's see which option is the correct option. Option B, that is paper gets biodegraded. Moving to the further question, important contribution of molybdenum is dash. Now what is meant by molybdenum? Molybdenum, it is a brittle silver grey metal of transition series used in some alloy steels. Let's see the options. Option A chromosome condensation, option B nitrogen fixation, option C flower growth, option D carbon fixation. Let's see which option is the correct option. Option B, that is important contribution of molybdenum is nitrogen fixation. Now nitrogen fixation, it means a process by which molecular nitrogen is converted into ammonia. Moving to the further question, in which of the following is nitrogen not a constituent? Means below following में से nitrogen constituent नहीं है. Let's see the options. Option A invertase, option B pepsin, option C ideoblast, option D bacteriochlorophyll. Let's see which option is the correct option. Option C, that is ideoblast is nitrogen not a constituent. Now ideoblast, it is means an ideoblastic is an isolated plant cell that differs from neighboring tissues. Moving to the further question, inorganic nutrients are present in the soil in the form of dash. Let's see the options. Option A electrically charged ions. Now electrically charged ions means an entire atom becomes electrically charged when number of electrons or protons stop being equal. Option B, molecule. Molecule means it's the smallest unit into which a substance can be divided without changing its chemical nature. Option C, organic compounds. Organic compounds are of four types. They are carbohydrates, lipids, proteins and nucleic acids. Option D, atom. Atom, it is the smallest particle of a chemical element that can exist. Okay, let's see which option is the correct option. Option A, that is electrically charged ions. Moving to the further question. Elements essential for photolysis of water is dash. Let's see the options. Option A, chlorine. Option B, nitrogen. Option C, oxygen. Option D, carbon. Let's see which option is the correct option. Option A, that is elements essential for photolysis of water is chlorine. Moving to the further question. Who discovered electron? इलेक्ट्रॉन कौन से साइंटिस्ट ने डिस्कवर किया? बिलो फॉलोइंग में बहुत से साइंटिस्ट के नेम है और ये साइंटिस्ट ने कुछ ना कुछ डिस्कवर किया है, लेकिन ये इलेक्ट्रॉन कौन से साइंटिस्ट ने डिस्कवर किया? लेट्स सी द ऑप्शंस. ऑप्शन ए, न्यूटन. ऑप्शन बी, माइकल फैराडे. ऑप्शन सी, स्टीफन हॉकिंग. ऑप्शन डी, जे थॉमसन. लेट्स सी विच ऑप्शन इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. ऑप्शन डी, that is J. Thomson discovered electron. Moving to the further question. Essential macro elements are absorbed dash. Now macro elements means these are minerals of which the body needs more amounts and are more important than other elements. Let's see the options. Option A, from the plants. Option B, from the root hair. Option C, from the soil. Option D, from the water. Let's see which option is the correct option. Option C, that is essential macro elements are absorbed from the soil. Moving to the further question. Xanthema is due to deficiency of dash. Now xanthema, it means it is a disease and it happens when a person suffers from a skin rash or a fever. Let's see the options. Option A, zinc. Option B, copper. Option C, boron. Option D, none of the above. Let's see which option is the correct option. Option B, that is xanthema is due to deficiency of copper. Moving to the further question. What are the symptoms of vitamin B6 deficiency? Let's see the options. Option A, skin rashes. Option B, cracked lip corners. Option C, a glossy tongue. Option D, all of the above. Let's see which option is the correct option. Option D, that is all of the above. Moving to the further question. A lack of blood glucose would have the greatest effects on dash. Let's see the options. Option A, nerve cells. Option B, brain. Option C, heart. Option D, none of the above. Let's see which option is the correct option. Option B, that is a lack of blood glucose would have the greatest effects on the brain. Moving to the further question. Penicillin is widely used as dash. Now penicillin means it is an antibiotic which is prepared synthetically nowadays. Let's see the options. Option A, has an antiseptic. Option B, has a disinfectant. Option C, has an antibiotic. Option D, has an insecticide. Let's see which option is the correct option. Option C, that is penicillin is widely used as an antibiotic. Moving to the further question. The ozone layer restricts dash. Let's see the options. Option A, visible light. Option B, infrared radiation. Option C, X-rays and gamma rays. Option D, ultraviolet radiation. Let's see which option is the correct option. Option D, that is the ozone layer restricts ultraviolet radiation. Now ultraviolet radiation means it is an electromagnetic radiation and its wavelength starts from 10 nanometer to 400 nanometer. Moving to the further question, filaria is caused by dash. Now what is meant by filaria? Filaria, it is a disease transmitted by biting flies and mosquitoes. Let's see the options. Option A, bacteria. Option B, mosquito. Option C, protozoa. Option D, virus. Let's see which option is the correct option. Option B, that is filaria is caused by mosquito. Moving to the further question, the number of chromosomes in human gene is dash. Means human gene में कितने chromosomes होते हैं? Let's see the options. Option A 46, option B 27, option C 36, option D 16. Let's see which option is the correct option. Option A, that is the number of chromosomes in human gene is 46. Now ह्यूमन जीन में 46 क्रोमोसोम्स तो होते हैं. 46 क्रोमोसोम्स मीन 46 नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम्स होते हैं, लेकिन ह्यूमन जीन में क्रोमोसोम्स के पेयर कितने होते हैं? ह्यूमन जीन में क्रोमोसोम्स के 23 पेयर्स होते हैं. एंड 23 पेयर्स मीन्स 23 पेयर्स मेल से आता है एंड 23 फीमेल से आता है. मीन्स 23 + 23 46 number of chromosomes are there in human gene. Moving to the further question, the longest and largest bone in the human body is dash. Human body में सबसे longest and largest bone कौन सा है? Let's see the options. Option A, parietal bone. Option B, occipital bone. Option C, ethmoid bone. Option D, femur bone. Let's see which option is the correct option. Option D, that is femur bone is the largest and longest bone in the human body. Moving to the further question, the ozone layer restricts from dash. Ozone layer कहाँ से restrict होता है? Let's see the options. Option A, ultraviolet radiation. Option B, visible light. Option C, infrared radiation. Option D, all of the above. Let's see which option is the correct option. Option A, that is the ozone layer restricts from ultraviolet radiation. Moving to the further question, lichens are the best indicator of dash. Now what is meant by lichens? Lichens means a growing plant that forms a low crusty leaf-like or branching growth. Let's see the options. Option A, soil pollution. Option B, noise pollution. Option C, air pollution. Option D, water pollution. Let's see which option is the correct option. Option C, that is lichens are the best indicator of air pollution. Moving to the further question, the color of phenolphthalein is basic medium is dash. Let's see the options. Option A, yellow. Option B, pink. Option C, white. Option D, blue. Let's see which option is the correct option. Option B, that is the color of phenolphthalein in basic medium is pink. Now this phenolphthalein means it's a colorless crystalline solid used as an acid base indicator. Moving to the further question, plants that grow in saline water are called dash. Means जो plants saline water में grow होते हैं उन्हें क्या बोलते हैं? Let's see the options. Option A, hydrophytes. Option B, mesophytes. Option C, thallophytes. Option D, halophytes. Let's see which option is the correct option. Option D, That is, plants that grow in saline water are called halophytes. Moving to the further question. Soil erosion can be prevented by dash. Means soil erosion को हम कैसे prevent कर सकते हैं? Let's see the options. Option A, raising forest. Option B, deforestation. Option C, afforestation. Option D, excessive use of fertilizer. Let's see which option is the correct option. Option C, that is, soil erosion can be prevented by afforestation. Now, what is meant by afforestation? Afforestation means a planting trees on an area of land in order to form a forest. Moving to the further question. Process of cell division can take place by dash. Means cell division का process कैसे take place होता है? Let's see the options. Option A, fission. Now fission means it is a process in which large nucleus splits into two smaller nuclei with the release of energy. Option B, fusion. Fusion means it is a reaction in which two or more atom nuclei are combined to form one or more different atomic nuclei. Let's see which option is the correct option. Option B, that is, process of cell division can take place by fusion. Moving to the further question. When electrical brain waves have ceased, this is called dash. Means जब electrical brain waves ceased हो जाता है तो इसे क्या बोलते हैं? Let's see the options. Option A, electrolysis. Option B, electroshock. Option C, brain death. Option D, functional death. Let's see which option is the correct option. Option C, that is, brain death. Okay friends, here my video ends. And अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज़ like it, subscribe it and press the bell icon. Thank you.